My name is Kenneth. I'm the Advanced Manufacturing Instructor for Austin High School. The courses at Mid-America Science Park give students a broad overview of the manufacturing industry. We do everything from plant management and lean manufacturing to machine maintenance. The juniors, they take an introduction to advanced manufacturing. They are introduced to principles such as safety, hydraulics, pneumatics, electrical concepts. The second year guys, the seniors, they focus on quality and they take courses in blueprint reading, robotics, the more advanced electrical, more advanced hydraulics and pneumatics. The career paths that we prepare for advanced manufacturing would vary between production workers, truck drivers, manufacturing supervisors, plant managers, maintenance men, engineers, technicians. So it's up to the student. Once they see something that they're interested in, then I encourage them to follow that path. In our community, we're a manufacturing community, and the Science Park benefits our community by offering hands-on training and experience to students at a young age that when they get out of high school and they enter a competitive job market, they have that advantage. So as a prospective employer, I would look at these students that are graduating with these college credits and with these certifications that are offered by the Science Park and through Advanced Manufacturing at Austin. I would look at these kids as more hireable, it gives them a competitive edge. I'm a career technician and I transferred to teaching. And when I walked into the Science Park and I saw the trainers and the things that were offered by Mid-America Science Park, the amateur trainers and things, I was blown away. I thought about how I wish that this would have been available to me as a high school student. When I was in high school, I knew I was going to be a technician. I knew I was going to go to college, be an engineering tech. And the things that I did in high school were just playing around kind of with radios and robotics, things that I had in the family. But these kids have an opportunity to see the real world. These trainers that we have in the Science Park are exactly the same things that they would find in any manufacturing facility, whether it's Morgan's or Pepsi or Samtec or Tri-Hawk or any of the local facilities. These are real world trainers. And if they can do it on these trainers, they can do it in the factory floor. I'm assisted by these trainers because in the classroom, I can teach them to do Ohm's Law. I can teach them how electricity works. I can teach them pneumatics and hydraulics. I can show them the diagrams and they can learn the principles. But until they get their hands on the trainer, until they get their hands dirty and they see it for themselves, it's all book knowledge. But once it transfers, it transcends book knowledge and it gets into hands-on experience, then we're talking about a whole new world opening up to the student.